This is how you play the 1, 3, 6, 4, 2, 5, 7, 1 chord progression in E major. If you already know your chord progression with 6, we're just adding on 3. So to get that in there, we're going to start in E major in first inversion. Now 3 is going to be added next because it has the most in common with the 1 chord, which is E major. Take the top note, move it down to the next scale note. You'll have to adjust your right hand 3 in the middle and play the 3 chord. That's G sharp minor. Go back to 1, go back to 3. And now we can proceed with the chord progression that we're used to. Go to the 6th chord by keeping the bottom note the same. The top 2 notes are going to move up to the next scale degrees. So middle note moves up a whole step, top note moves up a half step. You'll have to adjust your left hand to use 2 in the middle. Play that 6th chord, and it's C sharp minor. Go back to your 3, G sharp minor, and then go back to your 6, C sharp minor. To get to your 4, take your bottom note, move it up a half step, and adjust your left hand 3 in the middle. Play that 4 chord, and that's A major. Go back to your 6, go back to your 4. To get to your 2, your top note is going to move up to the next scale degree, so up a whole step. You'll have to adjust your right hand to use 2 in the middle. Play that 2 chord. This is F sharp minor. Go back to the 4 chord, A major. Go back to the 2 chord, F sharp minor. To get to the 5-7 chord, your middle note is going to move down a step to the next scale degree, a whole step. So notice that I'm using the 4 in my left hand that was already there. And play that 5-7. And this is B7 because we have a second and B's on top of it. Go back to your 2 chord, F sharp minor. Go back to your 5-7, B7, and then go back to 1 in first inversion, E major. Let's go through that sequence again. This time we're going to say our moves as we move from one chord to the next, starting with E major in first inversion, the 1 chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Top note moves down. Top 2 move up. Bottom note moves up. Top note moves up. Middle note moves down. Back to 1. This time, let's say our Roman numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 6, 4, 2, 5, 7, 1. Now let's do that again, but this time we're going to say the chord names, starting with E major. 1, 2, 3, 4. E major, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, A major, F sharp minor, B7, E major. Saying the chords is important because while we can memorize the movements to get from chord to chord, it really doesn't mean anything if we don't know what we're moving to. Now we're going to say the chord names again, but this time I'm going to have my left hand do the bass line, so whatever letter name I'm saying, that's what I'm going to play my bass. For example, if I say E major, all my left hand is going to do is play E, while my right hand plays the chord progression we've been playing. 1, 2, 3 with the bass line. E major, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, A major, F sharp minor, B7, E major. Saying your chords also prepares you to play that bass line and to make an easy job of it versus doing a lot of work for it. Let's play with metronome now to see how exam ready we are. Hold each one for 2. Let's do the chords first. 1, 2, chords in both hands. Now let's go to doing the bass line in the left and the chords in the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Sorry. 1, 2, 3,